Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use Rork AI. So guys, this is AI platform. You can use platform across mobile app using AI React Native. You can build a platform mobile app. So guys, you have a make visual novel themes. You have make a Airbnb style app. From here you can make a meditation styles, Instagram style app. For example, if you want to make this one Airbnb style, click this one, and you should connect your account with Google. For example, I want to connect my Google account and just await. So guys, you can choose any platform, for example Facebook here, and you would use for other, for example, and click other and click other to just to skip this survey. And from here, for example, you want to choose Airbnb app, click this one and just waiting to loading this page. From here, this is the app. You can see here, guys, you have this is the section of the app. This is how here the search for filter sections. You can scan QR code through this app, and right here just write, guys, your description to launch your app. And you find in the top right corner you have the create project, guys. You can create your project option from this. Just waiting to loading this option. You can see here, guys, this is the Airbnb style app, and from it you can create your app. Just click create and you will go back to this section. This is how you can do, guys. You can have design first, click this one, and you will, this is for fitness tracker app. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content. And from here, guys, you have code option. This is the paid or option plan. You can download the app through this plan. Before that, you can scan this code and you can publish it. This you have app and app store and Android section.